Today we're going to make soda ash since I don't have any soda ash for my tie-dyes. You just take baking soda. You set your oven to 200 degrees. You cook your baking soda for an hour and it turns to soda ash. So, we're going to try this out to see if it works just as well as soda ash. Well, my hour's up. I just took it out and it came out perfect, just like store-bought soda ash. I also wanted to tell you that if you're going to be mixing it up, you put 1 cup of soda ash per 1 gallon of warm water. If you soak your fabrics between 5 to 15 minutes. Also, I'm not sure if anyone's aware, you can mix soda ash directly into your bottles. You put approximately 1 teaspoon of soda ash, 1 teaspoon of your dye powder, and 1 cup of water, and shake very well. Well, stay tuned. I will show you some pictures of tie-dyes with the soda ash I did in the oven and soda ash I had bought from the store and see if there's a difference. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Bye.